Growing parsley in your garden is an easy task that can be done by following a few simple steps. In this video, we will discuss all the important aspects of growing parsley, including the right time to plant it, how often to water it, how much land you need, when to harvest it, and common problems that you might face. Parsley can be grown all year round, but the best time to plant it is during the spring season, that is, from March to May. It's important to note that parsley needs at least 6 hours of sunlight every day in order to grow well. To start growing parsley, you will first need to prepare the soil. Parsley needs well-drained, fertile soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0. If the soil is clayey, add sand and compost to improve soil drainage. After preparing the soil, sow the parsley seeds in rows that are approximately 30 centimeters apart. For optimal growth, place the seeds about 1.5 centimeters deep in the soil. Watering is crucial for the growth and yield of parsley. You should water the plants every day, especially during hot, sunny days. You should always aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering the plants can lead to root rot, which can damage the plants. Parsley can be grown in small space gardens or containers. It can also be grown alongside other herbs like basil, thyme, and cilantro. A single plant requires a space of 20 centimeters in diameter. If you plan to grow a larger quantity of parsley, a small patch of land or raised bed is ideal. Parsley is a slow-growing plant and takes about 70 to 75 days to mature. You can harvest the leaves as soon as they are big enough to be picked. However, it's recommended not to pick more than 1/3 of the leaves at a time to ensure continuous growth. After harvesting, parsley should be stored in a cool place, or you can consume it fresh. The most common problem with growing parsley is pest infestations. Slugs, snails, and aphids can cause damage to the plants, so it's important to keep a lookout for them and take necessary action. Additionally, yellowing leaves could indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiencies. Parsley can be grown in places with a temperate climate, ranging from 10 to 30 degrees Celsius. It's a herb that's used in a variety of cuisines around the world. It's especially common in Mediterranean dishes and is used as an herb to give flavor to salads, meats, and fish. Parsley is edible, and it has a mild, slightly bitter taste that complements many dishes. In conclusion, growing parsley is not a difficult task if you follow the tips mentioned in this video. Determine the best time to plant, prepare the soil, plan the irrigation system appropriately, and watch out for pests and nutrient deficiencies. A bountiful harvest of parsley can embellish your dish and provide a luscious flavor to your table.